In this video, we're going to learn how to graph a point on a coordinate plane. So if we have a problem like this that says graph the point 3, 7 on the coordinate plane, and this is the coordinate plane. So let's review everything. When we have something like this, x is any number, y is any number, x comma y. X is the position along the x-axis or the x-coordinate. Y is the position along the y-axis or the y-coordinate. So 3, 7 is telling you this is the position along the x-axis, this is the position along the y-axis. So next thing we have to do is understand what the ordered pair describes. Ordered pair describes the location of a point on the coordinate plane. So we start at 0. This is the origin, and we move 3 units along the x-axis. This is the horizontal position. So here we're going to move 3 along here. We start at the origin. 1, 2, 3. We end up here. Then from there we move 7 units up vertical. That's the y-axis, right? So move 7 units along the y-axis. This is the vertical position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you stop here. So what point is that? That is point 3, 7. So that's it. That's how you do this type of problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video. Also in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that are similar to this if you need extra help. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, I have this exact lesson in it, and you could watch the video as you review the notes in the ebook. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.